Good morning. What a glorious morning it is. It's definitely cold. Colder here than it is in Southport. I think it was 10 when we woke up inside the van, but the diesel heater went on and just warmed it up for 5 minutes and it felt all nice and toasty again. It's stunning here. It's LLanrwst in Wales. We came down from the lake last night and just found a park for night. It was on park for night, this one. It's behind the library in LLanrwst. No problems at all. The vans are parked up here for one of the businesses and I think they've got a portable office. I think a generator was on this morning from about 6ish, but it didn't bother us. It wasn't dead noisy. There are a few other vans on and you can hear the whirl of diesel heaters going. But yeah, what a view to wake up to. I love the way the cloud just rolls through here. And when you go up to the top first thing in the morning, it's a shame. They've put signs up everywhere now for staying overnight in the forest park, saying that there's no parking overnight, no staying overnight. And according to several forums and chats, it's getting really well policed now. They're on it all the time. So, but yeah, we're here in Wales and we're gonna probably trot off again in search of somewhere for Maximus this morning. He loved his cold water dip in the lake. I wasn't brave enough. I felt the cold yesterday. I think I was just tired. So we'll see what today brings, if I go in or not. But yeah, I love it. I love it here. It's probably one of my favorite places. Hello, boy. What are you playing? Flip Master. What do you think? Do you like it here?
Bad.
You've got chocolate chops?
No, I haven't.
Yes, you have. I can see them. Oh, have you been eating cereal?
Yeah.
Come on, let's go. Do you want to come down the river with Freya and me?
Yeah.
Okay. Wow, there's lots of water. Come on, Freya. So, if you've ever seen a postcard from LLanrwst, that cottage will most definitely be on it. Wow, that was a big splash. In fact, this bridge and that cottage are pretty much every picture postcard from LLanrwst. Lovely. I'll find a poo bin. Get back to the van.
You'll have to excuse me, I'm full of cold. We've got colds, head colds or body colds or whatever colds they are, but we're full of cold in this house at the moment. So we did a whole bit here. There's loads of footage of Shell and I talking and having a bit of a laugh about reminiscing about some memories on this particular beach here on Anglesey, just round from Beaumaris. It's where we spent a lot of time with Roman and Maximus, with our old dog Wesley, and that's the first time Freya's been to that particular beach, but it's just an absolutely stunning spot. It is just round the coast from Beaumaris, but I won't put a location up because Anglesey, there's something been going on Anglesey, and they've got a real aversion to vans now, it would seem. There's signs up everywhere. So we had a bit of time there, and then we went around the coast a little bit. We were going to go down to Triath, but there were signs up saying no vans and no overnight camping. And so we headed down to another little spot on the beach just to have some tea. And the tide was quickly coming in there, but that was a lovely spot to have some tea.
We've come further round the coast of Anglesey from Beaumaris. Triath's over there. We've been there a few times. It's quite narrow to get down to there. Probably could have got the van down, but there's signs everywhere now, even before you get onto the road. Big yellow signs, no overnight parking, no camping. Don't know what's been going on Anglesey, but it looks like probably a few have spoilt it for the many. We've got, that's Redwharf over there, Redwharf Bay, and Triath Beach as we come round. We're probably not going to stop the night here. There's no signs here on this particular beach, but when it's high tide, it comes all the way up here, so we probably won't be staying here for the night. But we're going to have some tea here. So Shell's just doing Maximus's tea now. He's hungry after his hour in the cold water, but it's very cute here. You've got the little bridges coming over. There's a little boat over there. Lots of people with dogs, so it's dog walker heaven here. Obviously they've got big open sands to run on and water to swim in. Freya's been out and had a snuff, but she obviously had an hour in the water with Maximus, so she's had her exercise for today and she's quite happy. We've had some tea, but that tide's coming in quick. I can't get over how fast that's come in. Half an hour. Another half an hour and it'll be up here. Once we'd had tea, we moved up and had a look round for somewhere to stop for the night on Anglesey. We had a quick look at a couple of park for the night park-ups and a couple of places where we thought in the past that would be good to stay. But there was just a general feeling about Anglesey that, it was just easy for us, especially we didn't want any altercations after the last incident in the Buxton area. So we decided to move on. So we headed off Anglesey under the cover of darkness around Caernarfon, and we found a stunning park up, and we'll see you next time when we wake up there. And that's about it. Thanks very much for watching. If you've liked, please give us the thumbs up. If you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. These are things that'll help our little channel grow, and we really appreciate it, and it costs you nothing. Check out our link to Roma in the description below. Thanks very much, take care, and we'll see you next time.